So your client loves you so much, they've decided to cut you out of the business relationship. How thoughtful. A client trying to poach your staff is infuriating, frustrating, disrespectful, and just a pinch shady. But you are not powerless. Today I'm going to show you what to do to avoid client poaching. Ready to get tough in your business? Let's go. So there are many reasons why a client might try to pinch a member of your staff. It might be because they want to pay less money because there's no overheads with a solo cleaner. They might want to have a direct line to their cleaner, or they think the rules don't apply to them. And another reason, which might sting some people, but definitely will take a little bit of self-awareness, is to have a think about, are you providing the value to the client that you should be? Are you, as the cleaning business owner, in touch with the client on a regular basis so that they know that you are the contact and not the cleaner? Is there a reason why they have cut you out other than the price? Is there something you are not providing to them? Most of the time, however, it is about saving money and it is about convenience. The client will think to themselves,
why would I pay ABC cleaning when I can just pay the clients a couple more quid and cut them out?
But here's the thing, it's theft. When you find the cleaners, vet the cleaners, train the cleaners, reference the cleaners, do the bookings, do the spot checks, grab the equipment, hold the insurance, do all the training, run the whole business, do the marketing, and the million other things that are involved in running a cleaning business, you deserve to be paid as the cleaning business owner for providing that service. So let's talk first of all how we can shut down a potential poaching event before it even happens. Tip number 1, lock it down in your contracts. Your contract, your terms of service, your terms of business is your safety net. If your contract doesn't say anything about poaching staff, then it is time to update it. And it doesn't have to be anything too technical. It can literally be a line as simple as, clients cannot hire any cleaner that they meet through my business during service or for X amount of months later. So your action step for this part of the video would be, number 1, get a terms of service if you do not have one. Or number 2, if you do have a terms of service, make sure that it has a non-solicitation clause in there.
Also, for extra security, make sure in your cleaner's contract you also have a non-solicitation, non-poaching clause. I used to have this in my business, and in the maybe 2 or 3 times that it's happened over 16 years, I have threatened to sue both the client and the cleaner, and one or both parties have dropped out lickety quick.
Tip number 2 is train your staff to shut it down. Sometimes a client will try their luck with a member of your staff direct. They'll be all sweet and they'll be all charming and they'll be like,
oh, what does Kelly pay you for the cleaning? Because you're so good and I don't think she values what she does. If you came to clean for me direct, I could pay you more and she would never know.
Your cleaners need to know how to react if a client pulls a sneaky move like this, so make sure you invest some time in training. My top tip and action step for you would be to do some role play poaching scenarios with your team so that they never get caught off guard. Tip number 3 to stop clients from potentially poaching your cleaners is to set the expectations from day 1. Most of the time, clients will try to poach your cleaning staff because they just don't think it's a big deal. They don't think it's a legal issue. You're only a cleaning business. So what we have to do is educate them about our policies, our contracts, and the rules of engagement with our business. Always make sure your potential clients know of your policies upfront. We want to make sure we're including our terms of service on our quote document, on our welcome emails, on any induction packs. Print it out for your client communication diary, put it on your website, put it on your social pages. Let the world know there is a terms of service and rules to working with your business. What do we do when a client has already poached a cleaner? What are the steps? Okay, so a client has poached your cleaner and we found out about it. What's next? First of all, we are going to check the contract. If they have broke the rules, we are going to remind the client of the clause and we're going to send them a formal warning. The second thing we are going to do is talk to our cleaner. Did they quit to go and work for the client? Set some boundaries and do some role play with your cleaner. Number 3, decide if they are worth keeping. A client who undermines your business isn't somebody you want long term. If this is something that is happening to you, or if this is something you have a little inkling a member of your staff and a client could be potentially doing, then please come and join me in the private Facebook group, Profitable and Productive Cleaning Business Owners. There you can post as yourself or you can post anonymously. I will be there to support you and give guidance along with a whole bunch of cleaning business owners just like you. We've got your back in the group and we can help you come up with a solution and a resolution. My wish for you with this video is to make sure that you are protecting yourself and you are protecting your business. Because as I've said before, my rule number 1 in business is cover your arse. And then cover your arse some more. So client poaching is hateful, it is sneaky and it is dishonest, but you are not powerless against it. You can use contracts to set boundaries, train your team to say no, and make sure your clients know the rules. And if you would like information on the private Facebook group, you will find the link in the comments. And if you would like information on purchasing a terms of service or terms of business, you will also find that in the link below. Please stick around and watch this video next that YouTube thinks that you will like, or you can watch this video here. I'm going to be here next Wednesday. So until then, you stay sparkling. Bye bye.